Dear student, in this video we will learn the addition and subtraction rule for integer where we will not use the number line. In the earlier video we have done these operation using the number line, but in this video we will apply the rules directly. Let us take two integers which are like signs. Like signs mean both are positive or both are negative. Say this is 5, this is a positive integer, and this is 3, this is a positive integer. Both are like signs, and I take -5 and -7. These are also like signs. Here I will have to add these integers. So firstly I will see the absolute value of both integers. The absolute value of 5 is 5 and the absolute value of 3 is 3. I will add, the answer is 8. Now the answer is 8 here. What is the common sign of these two integers? The positive sign. Both of these are positive integer, therefore I will write the positive sign with this. We can skip the positive sign, therefore the answer for 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now we come on the second part. This is -5 and -7. What is the absolute value of -5? That is 5. What is the absolute value of -7? That is 7. Now I have to add these, so I will mark the addition symbol, and 5 plus 7, that is 12. Now you see, what is the common symbol in these two integers? That is the negative one. Therefore I will write the minus symbol with the answer. So this is the rule which we have to apply in the addition or the subtraction of the like sign integers. You can expand this rule for the more integers. Here you will see 2, 3, 7. These three are positive integer, therefore, and in order to add we will write their absolute values. The absolute value of 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 7 is 7. I find their absolute value and I have to add all these. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 7, 12. Now the answer is plus 12. Why I write the plus? To show you that the common symbol will be written with the answer. So I can skip plus symbol. So the answer is plus only 12. Now in the other case, -2, -3, -5, all symbols are negative symbols. Therefore I will write there. Firstly, in order to add all these, I will find their absolute value. Its absolute value is 2, its absolute value is 3, and its absolute value is 5. Now I will add these. Now what is the answer? 10. The answer is 10. I will write the common symbol of all the integer with this answer. So the answer is -10. So you can see that we have performed the addition for the like signs integers. Now the case is of addition of integer where the signs are not same. So we see 5 and -3 and -5 and 3. Now 5, the absolute value of 5 is 5 and the absolute value of -3 is 3. Now because if the symbol are not same, therefore we will subtract these. 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. I will write the 2. Now the question is of the symbol which will be come with the answer. Now here the integer which has a more numerical value, that is 5, and 5 is positive. So we will take it, the answer, as a positive one. Okay. Now -5 and 3, the symbol also here not same. So and I have to add these. Firstly, I will take their absolute value. What is their absolute value? The absolute value of minus 5 is 5 and 3 is 3. Now I have to subtract these. Why I have to subtract these? Because the symbols are not same. So the answer is 2. I will write 2. Now the question is, what symbol will be there with the answer? Here, whose numerical value is greater? The numerical value of minus 5 is greater. Therefore, I will place the symbol of the greater numerical value. So in this way, we have learned that how we will perform the addition of the integer which are of unlike sign. It means whose signs are not same and whose signs are same. Now I will explain a rule to you people for the changing sign of any integer. Let us take two integers, one is positive and other is negative. The positive integer is plus 3 and negative integer is minus 7. Now let us see what happens if I take the positive of positive integer. Then the answer will be 3, that is plus 3. Now if I take the negative of a positive integer, then the answer will be minus 3. Now the turn is of negative integer. Now the positive of a negative integer is negative and the negative of a negative integer is positive. Here you will see that if the positive symbol is multiplied with positive symbol, then the answer is in positive. And if the negative symbol is multiplied with the negative symbol, then the answer is in positive. But if the negative symbol is multiplied with positive and if positive is multiplied with negative, then in both cases the answer is negative. It means we can say if the same symbol multiply, then the answer is in positive way, of otherwise the answer is negative in case when the positive symbol is multiplied with negative symbol. So we have to keep in mind in the case of subtraction. So there are some questions relating to subtraction operation, that we have to subtract 5 from 3. It means 3 minus 5. Now 3 and 5, what is the absolute value of 3 and 5? That is 3 and 5. The symbols are different, therefore we will find their difference. The difference is 2, and whose absolute value is greater? 5's value is greater. Therefore I will take the symbol of the greater absolute value. Whose absolute value is greater? Now 3 from 5. 5 is the minuend and the 3 is the subtrahend. 5 minus 3. Here you will see that 5, the absolute value of 5 is 5 and the absolute value of 3 is 3. Minus 3 is 3. Whose absolute, therefore the difference is 2. Now the symbol will be positive. Now why positive? Because the absolute value of plus 5 is greater. Now subtraction, 5 from minus 3. So minus 3 is subtrahend, minuend, and 5 is subtrahend. So minus 3. Here you will see the application of this rule. Minus and this is plus. Minus 3, minus and plus, that is minus. Now both symbol are same. Therefore I will add these. The answer is 8 and I will take the common symbol, that is minus 8. Now I will have to subtract minus 5 from 3. So 3 is minuend and minus 5 is subtrahend. Now here you will see the application of this rule. Minus is multiplied with minus, therefore the answer is plus. Now 3 plus 5, that is 8. So here you can see we have learned the addition and subtraction of integers without using number line, and also learn what are the like symbol and unlike symbols, it means like sign and unlike signs, how to perform the subtraction and addition operation over there. Also we have learned the multiplication rule for the symbols here in case of -3 and +3 and -7, and also learn the subtraction of the two integers for the every case.